Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now first of all, I would like to apologize for my filthy hands, but I've been messing with my bike chain since this morning trying to fix it, and then I decided to replace it because every other link was kind of broken or cracked. So that's why my hands are like this, despite washing them thoroughly. This is gonna take a few days to get off. Now today we're unboxing another watch, and this is a diver from a brand named Albany, and this is named AMA diver, or AMA, which is supposed to represent the Japanese female divers that went free diving for seafood, and apparently they would train from age 12 and dive until age 70 or 80. So this is kind of a tribute to them. Now the watch itself we're gonna open and see, but I do believe this is one of the more interesting dive watches recently issued. So let's open the box and see how the watch actually looks. Oh wow, this is pretty snug. Oh, inside is a nice wooden box. Okay, let's move this away. And here's the wood, and I really like it. It's so cool. It's nice and smooth, and this is actually etched. Let me zoom in so you can see. Look, it's pretty cool. Let's open it. Inside is a pouch, and it's hinged. The lid is hinged, and it has little magnets, so it closes shut down. And this is the pouch. The pouch is nice cloth material, like those military backpacks back in the day before they were nylon. They were like cloth. And here's this. Oh wow, you get a leather strap. You get a NATO, and the watch comes on this beads of rice. So let's take a look at it. Here it is. Wow, that's cool looking. Look at the seconds hand with only one side, like a harpoon. It has the arrow on only one side. It's so cool. This version is the mother of pearl dial, look, and I believe it's called the black pearl. Look how it plays with the light. Now it's black, but when you start moving it towards the light, look how it changes. Wow. The bracelet reminds me of doxa. It's like beads of rice, and each bead is single piece. They're not welded together. The clasp is machined. It's a double one with a safety latch, but it's just friction. It's not on, you don't press it. It's got micro adjustments. Let's go back to the watch. The case is very 60s. It looks almost like a vintage Seiko or something. Wow. The watch, I believe, is 41 millimeters with 48 lug to lug, and it's about 12 something in thickness. The bezel is unidirectional, has 120 clicks, and I have to admit, it's quite nice. Let's see if it lines up. Yup, it seems it does. The watch is powered by Miyota 9039, I believe they call it, which is a no-date version of the 9015. So 28,800 BPH, hacking, hand winding, everything you want. The watch is water resistant to 300 meters. And as you can see, you have the Albany logo and you have the AMA. Let's check out the case back. And it has a solid case back, which is something I like on a dive watch. And it has the AMA diver like engraved in it. Look, that female diver. Pretty cool. I have to admit, this is pretty cool. Now naturally I will put it on my wrist to see how it wears, but this feels so comfortable just by playing with it. I really like this watch. I have to admit it. It's original, especially this dial. Look at it. Look at how it plays. And the bezel is it's glossy, so it goes well with the dial. So far I'm impressed. Let's put it on my wrist and see how it wears. But with a 48mm lug to lug, it should be okay. And there it is. Wow. It looks perfect on my 6.7 inch wrist. Look at it. And believe it or not, the bracelet is actually sized for my wrist. Now whether or not... Ah, there we go. They do have extra links because I was like, when I put it on, it was a perfect fit, and I'm like, I'm 6.7. How is somebody with a bigger wrist? Now, could it be that they watch my channel and actually know that I'm a 6.7, so they sized it already? I don't know, but this is a perfect fit. And my God, this is comfortable. Wow. Believe it or not, I may have found my summer of 2020 diver that I'm gonna wear. Wow, this is good. This is really good. Anyways, thank you to Albany Watches for sending this, and naturally, as always, I will be doing a full review with detailed macro shots and my impressions after I spend some time with it. This is just a first impression when I take it out of the box, and so far I'm really liking the watch, but we'll see after a couple of weeks of wear. Sometimes certain things come up and pop up that, you know, change my opinion or make me lean in one direction. Look, it even has drilled lugs for easy swap with these straps. Naturally, I'm not a NATO guy. I like nylon straps, but two-piece ones. I hate single-piece NATOs. The leather, again, it's a nice color that goes well with the watch, but a diver and leather to me just don't work. But why would you want to change this? Look at it. Now this watch, as I saw on their webpage, retails for $375 or something like that. And there's certain discounts and all that. And I have to admit, I'm really liking it. For that money, well, Miyota 9015 sapphire crystal with inner AR coating only, I forgot to mention. I don't know what the bezel is made of. I haven't read. I doubt it's ceramic, because if it was, they would probably say it. If I find out it is, I will probably put a caption, you know, correcting me, but I'll have all those ready for the review. But so far, a really cool watch. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.